Hi friends, we continue to work with audio-visual translation of biosignals, brain waves, and I have neural interface brain beat on me now, and heartbeat. I have device Calibre for this, and have applications with processing the data. And here is the EEG signal from bipolar channels, yellow original, green with artifacts correction raster. There is also spectra of the signal, audio translation below the ECG signal, there is heart rate estimation and pressure index, and then the signal streaming to touch designer. And here we have a new biogenerative visual, which is based on 3D Physarum by mini UV, and I connected attention to several parameters here, like step size, speed of this particle, duration, also to like their size agent, sensor offset, and also for attractors, their radiuses. So these spheres like attractors, and how much they deviate from the center depends on relative expression of correspondent waves, and their radius are connected to attention. And this is how it looks in final network altogether. A bit more about this translation and why I love it so much. First of all, because of the Physarum itself, it's an amazing example of generative art with all these particles and the structures which may appear emerge between of the particles. And I worked before with a 2D version. In 3D it's even more amazing, and when you link attention on these particles movement parameters, it becomes more alive and really biogenerative. And these attractors like spheres, they also interact with these particles networks and changing them, and the attention also influence it. So when you're more focused, they become like a bigger, and also how much they deviate depends on the particular frequencies. And second aspect is about neuroadaptivity. You see there's different levels, and when you become more focused, it becomes for you more difficult to focus. There is change of estimation, and therefore you can feel like how it's changing and see these differences.